Every business has data, sales data, customer data, financial data, operational data. And right now, somewhere inside your CRM, ERP, database or reports, there's an answer to a question that could impact your revenue, profitability or growth. The answer already exists. The challenge is accessing it when you need it most. And that's exactly why TripleMind exists. TripleMind enables business to talk directly to their data through an AI-powered database chatbot. Instead of waiting for reports, chasing analysts, and navigating endless dashboards, you simply ask a question in plain English and receive answers in seconds. Because in business, the value of information isn't in storing it, it is using it at the right moment. Think about what happens inside most organizations every week. A leadership meeting begins. Someone asks a critical question. Why did revenue decline last quarter? Which region is underperforming? Where are we losing customers? The answer exists somewhere inside the business, but nobody in the room has it. The request goes to an analyst. Data gets pulled from multiple systems. Reports are generated. Numbers are verified. Hours turn into days. And while everyone waits to answer, decision waits too. The real cost isn't creating a report. The real cost is every opportunity missed while waiting for it. Most businesses believe they need more data. In reality, they need better access to the data they already have. Every organization invests heavily in collecting information, but much of that information remains trapped inside dashboards that few people open, inside reports that become outdated the moment they were created, inside systems that they don't communicate effectively, and inside teams already overwhelmed with requests. The result is a growing gap. A gap between that business knows and what leadership can use actually. The companies that close the gap gain something incredibly valuable: the ability to make decisions faster than anyone else. Now imagine a different experience. Instead of requesting reports, you simply ask, which product generated in the highest profit last month? Compare regional performance against last year. Why are customer renewal declining? Show the biggest factors impacting revenue. You ask the question, TripleMind understands your intent, retrieves live information from your system, analyzes data, and delivers a structured answer within seconds. No technical expertise required, no dashboard to learn, no reporting bottlenecks, just answer. Available whenever business decisions need to be made. Picture a boardroom meeting. Leadership is present. Investors are asking questions. The pressure is real. Then someone asks, why did revenue drop 18% in the North region last quarter? Traditionally, that question triggers a process. Follow-up meetings, additional analysis, days of investigation, but the TripleMind, the answer arrives in real time. You ask the question, and within seconds, you see exactly what happened. Which product declined? Which channel underperformed? What trends contributed? How performance compares historically. Instead of saying, we'll get back to you, you say, here's the answer. The shift changes the way organizations make decisions. One of the bigger concerns in business have its complexity. Fortunately, TripleMind is designed to work with the systems you already use. Your databases, your CRM, your ERP, even legacy performs. No migration, no rebuilding, no operational disruption. TripleMind sits on the top of your existing infrastructure and transforms it into an intelligent conversational experience. And because enterprise secure matters, role-based access controls, audit logs, and flexible deployment options ensure your data remains protected and under your control. Your system remains exactly where they are. The simplicity becomes smarter. The businesses that succeed over the next decade won't necessarily have more data than anyone else. Most organizations already have plenty. The real advantage will belong to those who can convert information into decisions faster than their competitors. Because faster answers create faster decisions create faster execution, and faster execution creates stronger business outcomes. That's why conversational data intelligence isn't just another technology trend, it's becoming a new standard for modern organizations. So here's your next step. Book a live demo with TripleMind. The link is in description. Show your data answer to your business questions in real time. experience what happens when information becomes instantly accessible. Because when your business can talk to its data, it can move with confidence.